Hey everybody, so I was sitting here and minding my own business, hanging out with these guys, and my husband was like, "What did you do?" I'm like, "What do you mean, what did I do? I didn't do anything. I swear I didn't do anything. What are you talking about?" He's like, "No, but really, what did you do?" So I came up here and the FedEx man was here. I did do that. So what this is our travel kennels. So they got delivered and they're not going to be tall enough. So I'm going to put them together and making a video and I don't know what I'm saying. Come here. Oh, thank you. All right, so we ordered these travel kennels. They're the 500 series from, what are they from? They're the Sky Kennels. I'm gonna get that name for you. They're the Sky Kennels, and they're the 500 series. And the 500 series is technically big enough for the dogs to fit in. However, we're flying Lufthansa, and I know I can't say that, so shut your mouth. It's fine. So we're flying Lufthansa, and they have a pretty strict rule when flying internationally that the kennel be at least 3 inches above the top of the dog, and that would actually be the tip of their ears. So we already know that Nico will be too tall, so we're gonna have to get an expander for him. But the expander is literally more expensive than the kennel itself. So we're gonna put these together and see if the girls fit. I'm assuming that Ava will also need an extender. We might not need one for Mila, but we're gonna put them all together, put the dogs in, and just kind of see how it goes. Who packed this stuff? If anybody needs some of this stuff, we have all of it. I literally don't even understand why they did this. It's a travel kennel, like it's designed to travel, like just ship the kennel. Oh, sweet little Jesus. Why? Okay, I'm gonna see if Nico will retrieve the ball out of the pile of bubbles things. He's a good boy. Oh, he's not even scared. Ava, come here. What do you do? What is it? Come here. What is it? What is it? Come here. Come
Nico's not scared. He's walking on it. See? He's walking on it. Come here. What is it? What's happening? Come here. Why? Come here. Why are you scared? There's no way in hell Mila's coming anywhere out here because she heard a pop. Nico's crying now because his ball is underneath the air thingies and I won't get it out for him, and he stepped on one and it popped and now he's scared. Oh. Where's your ball, buddy? Where's your ball? I don't know where it is. Where's your ball? Is it in here? Right here. Can you get it? It's right here. You can get it. There it is, buddy. Mila, can you load? Thank you, ma'am. Good girl. Stay there. Hi, Ava. Can you load? Are you scared? All right, Mila, you break. Come on, Mila, break. Good girl. All right, Ava, go load. Ava, load. No, not you. You already did. Ava, load. Come on, load. No, Mila, you already did. Oh, good job, Mila. Okay, move. Get in the way. Hey, buddy. All right, come on, Ava. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. I know, it's so scary. Load. Load. Go on. You can do it. Ava, go load. Oh, Ava, you should be embarrassed. You're supposed to be brave. You're supposed to be brave. Hey, buddy. Nico's not scared. Are you embarrassed? Is you're a big chicken? Chicken, 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 chicken. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Okay, Ava, try it. Load. Come on. There you go. That's a good note. Go on. You almost did it. Why are you scared? Mila, load. Good girl. You're so good. Oh, you're so brave. Ava, you a chicken. All right, Mila, load. Load. Good girl. Yay, Mila, you're so brave. What's wrong with you? Ava, you scared? Ava, can you load? Oh, thanks, Mila. Good girl, Mila. All right, Mila, come on out. Mila, break. Good. No, Ava, you're not broken. Come here. Well, you're kind of broken. No, don't go in there, Mila. All right, Ava, load. Good girl. Look at you being so good. Yay. Oh, my God. You did it. You're so proud of yourself. Look at your numbers. You're so proud of yourself. Oh my gosh. Can you do it again? Ava, load. No, you're not Ava. You're Mila.